The question I had for you, and I'm really confused about this, and I've had some people question me, is using the term white privilege in reference to white people having privileges. Is that how do you feel about that term?
Oh, it's an acceptable term as
Okay.
long as the person who is using the term can explain what it means.
Okay.
See, every word, no words, any word means nothing until a person explains what it is. That's any word in any language. I mean, they're just a bunch of sounds or just a bunch of characters on a piece of paper. They're just marks on paper. They mean nothing until someone explains what it means. You find that out when you first start reading, what you call spelling and all like that. I mean, I think from the first grade, when I looked at the words that were being presented to me on the board by the teacher, they were just some. I didn't know what it was. And this is an A, and this is a B, and if you put the A with the C, and then you put an R with it, then you spell something called a cross and something, and then they'll tell me what a cross means, and it was still all very strange, just weird. But no word means anything until a person who is using the word explains what it means. And that's the mechanics of language, all languages. Otherwise, it's just a bunch of marks up under a railroad, graffiti. It's all graffiti if you don't understand what it means.
Right.
And so, therefore, whomever uses any type of word, you can just ask the person, what do you mean when you use this particular word? And the person sometimes will not have an answer, and they'll try to have you interpret what they mean. And that's something that should not be done. They'll say, oh, well, you know what that means. Oh, no, I don't. You tell them, I don't know what that means. I have an idea of what it means when it comes from me, but I don't know what you mean when you say it. So you tell me what you mean. And that way we will be doing what? Communicating, which is the whole point in talking in the first place. Because if we talk and we're not communicating, then we have defeated the purpose of the talk.